Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Crafting with Akila. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful jhumkas using quilling paper and a stone chain. So let's get started. All we need is old earrings, which are most likely studs, quilling paper, fevicol, scissors and a stone chain. Take 6 quilling strips which are matching with your old earrings. Take 3 strips for each earring. Quill 3 strips into a tight coil, one after other. Stick the end with a fevicol. Repeat the same with the other 3 strips for the other earring. Now, push the center of the jhumka, giving a shape of a jhumka. Repeat the same with the other coil. Apply fevicol on top of the jhumka and attach stone chain on top of jhumka, covering it overall. Repeat the same steps with other jhumka as well. After drying, attach these jhumkas to your old studs. And that's it, you converted your old earrings into beautiful jhumkas. These jhumkas are perfect to wear on any occasion. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Crafting with Akila. Bye bye.